Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Walmart Spark app. You will first need to download the Spark Driver app from your device's App Store, available for both iOS and Android. After installation, create your account by entering your personal and vehicle details, and then complete the required background check. This approval process usually takes a few days, so be patient. Once approved, you will start seeing available delivery opportunities and can begin earning right away, offering a flexible way to work on your own schedule. Your app's home screen provides a clear overview of your service area, showing available delivery zones. When new delivery opportunities arise, you will receive notifications directly on your device, detailing the estimated earnings and total mileage for each offer. This makes it simple to accept or decline, depending on your availability and how busy you wish to be. The user-friendly interface ensures you can quickly manage your workload and focus on efficient deliveries, making your time on the road productive. When you accept an order, the app immediately provides detailed pickup instructions, guiding you to the correct Walmart or Sam's Club store location. At the store, you will verify the order with an associate, ensuring all items are present and correct before loading them into your vehicle. The app's built-in navigation then directs you efficiently to the customer's delivery address. Always follow any specific delivery instructions, such as leaving items at the door, to ensure a smooth and professional customer experience every single time. The app provides a transparent breakdown of your earnings for every single delivery, showing your base pay along with any customer tips. You can easily track your progress with detailed daily and weekly summaries, giving you a clear picture of your income. Payments are reliably processed each week through direct deposit, so your funds arrive consistently. Many drivers appreciate seeing their earnings accumulate in real time, helping them manage their finances and set personal earning goals for themselves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.